Someone asked me how to make a LED strip following the curved wall with the possibility of getting its length calculation too. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly that. And if you're an architect or designer looking to master Revit and BIM workflows, join our free school community for exclusive tips and resources. You will find the link in the video description. Okay, let's move forward and let's dive in. As you can see, I have a couple of curved walls created in Revit and they are all connected in a chain. And if you may wonder how you can place the LED strip on those walls, or do you need a complex family created just for that purpose? Nope, you don't need. You can freely go to walls and then you can take the wall sweep tool. So we can just create the workaround. But just before I start placing it, I would like to show you something. So first of all, we need to edit type. And then here we need to pick a proper template. In this case, I can keep this as a default, but bearing in mind that we would like this to be the LED strip, that this need to emit light, I have to go here to materials and I need to set up the proper material. So I will create new material. I'm gonna call this one as Architeasy LED strip. And then I'm gonna go to Autodesk Material Library. Let's go to Appearance, Miscellaneous, and let's find the LED strip. So we have some of them. Let's take this one. Let's hit OK. And then what you need to do right now is just to start placing. But just keep in mind that if you don't like this profile, you can create your own. And if you may wonder how you can create 2D profiles, just take a look at the card above. And right now, when we made this one, you can also go to Enscape and then you can see that this is emitting our light. So this works properly even in our render engine. And also you might wonder how you can calculate the length of your LED strips. That could be very useful for your projects. So in this case, we just need to go to the schedules, new schedule quantities, and then scroll down until you find walls. Then go to the wall sweeps. And then I can actually go to the maybe family and type. Then I can go to the length and I can also go and pick material. So here it comes, you see, this is how it looks like. And the best part with Revit is that if you, for example, adjust the length of your LED strips, and it will be actually directly shown in our wall sweep schedule as well. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, just hit like and subscribe for more Revit tutorials. And don't forget to join our free school community for deeper discussions and resources. You will find the link below. See you in the next video.